A design-build contract is a project delivery method where a single contract is formed between the owner of a project and a design-build team. This contract integrates design and construction phases. In simpler terms, instead of separate contracts for design and construction, the owner, the client, contracts with a single team that will handle both design and construction. As the designer and builder are in the same team, they communicate easier and they collaborate more as they are in the same site. Besides, this project delivery method is compatible to lean construction implementation. The best for lean management is integrated project delivery, but design build is the second best for lean construction implementation in your works. What are the advantages and disadvantages from client perspective? The first advantage is that this contract model simplifies communication and accountability as the client deals with a single company for both design and construction. A main benefit in that is this eliminates the threat of dispute between designer and contractor. Also, as contractor does both design and construction, contractor designs first what they need first. Accordingly, they can overlap the design and construction without any delays in overall schedule. However, there are disadvantages with design build delivery. The client is more limited on decisions of contractor. If contractor chooses the constructability over better design and the contractor complies with contract documents, client has no say to change contractor's design and decisions, especially compared to design build, which we are gonna talk in coming future. Also, because both design and construction is handed over to a single company, if that company is not as they introduce themselves, if they are not as professional as they introduce themselves, you get impacted more compared to design build project delivery. Think about it. Giving time for both design and construction to a company who fails in many aspects of project delivery, with design quality issues, executing design at site, interface management with authorities or other contractors, etc. So now let's see contractor perspective. What are the advantages and disadvantages from contractor perspective? As contractor gets involved early in the project and design what they can build easily, construction becomes way simpler than constructing another company's design. Also, as designer and builder are in same company, simpler communication and collaboration as no conflict of interest arises between them. And as designer and builder communicates and collaborates, and as design is not just completed without builder's input, there become less change orders. In terms of disadvantages, contractor is fully responsible for all failures in the project. Some contractors can use failures of designers as a shield for their failures. However, with this contract, no way to escape. Another disadvantage is that client can be dissatisfied easily if contractor just prioritize constructability. I mean, designing the simplest and unsatisfactory looking project can be okay in contractor's agreement with client. This is contractor's right to do, but can cause intangible losses. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content. And follow us on Udemy, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram.